Ayan guys, good morning, good morning. Ito na pala yung ating puguan ngayon. Papakita ko sa inyo. Bale, ito na yung mga kulungan nila. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Tapos, by layer, yan. Itong 3 layers, 4 layers, 3 layers, 3 layers, 2 layers, 1 layers, and 3 layers. I start from 65 quail only. Then I don't have any white color except when I incubate the egg, they have one quail bird white was come out from the hatching. Then I cross. Then now this is my breeder quail. Hopefully it's already plenty of white quail. Now I collect the egg, then I incubate, then that's my male quail. They have also white. Then this is our pure white quail. Are so plenty already, guys. Hopefully by next after 2 months, maybe it will become um, 100 heads of quail pure white. And this is my quail bird now. Hopefully it's almost more than 600 from here. This one is 25 days. It's also mixed. They have also here meal, and we have also turkey. And here we have pure Japanese shuttle, this one for my breeder. And also here Japanese shuttle for my breeder. And they have also turkey here and chicken. And this is my setup for my brooder. And the most important when you become a breeder, must be prepare first this one, the incubator, to multiply your quail. Hopefully this one also my breeder, and I collect egg every late at night. And this one I remove the flooring, the Amazon wire, because it's too big, and I will repair this one. I would like also to share with you how my cage looks like. And this one I will also buy a Japanese shuttle for my breeder. We will put here this long 8 by 2 long, and these are our quail bird already. You see, it's very nice, the white one. You see, this one is also 25 days, and also this one is 25 days. 1 2 3 layer already we have for our breeder. Okay guys, to those not yet follow to my YouTube channel, kindly like and subscribe for more videos, guys, and more update for our quail. For next time I will teach you how I care for my quail, and I will share with you with my technique how to raise quail. Okay, and this one also another idea for my chicken. Okay, until here only, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos, guys. After for this I will upload another video, and God bless to all. Bye bye.